Hi guys, welcome to Ray and Jackie Toby, and I'm David. Today we're gonna study other things about IMAGINEXT. And here's the Batmobile, here's the helicopter, here's the Batmobile, and here's the Batcave. And I'm David, and I'm super excited. Here's the Batman. Here's the Batman mobile and the helicopter and the Batcave. And today we're going to talk about IMAGINEXT. And he's the Joker, he's the Batman, he's the Creeper, and the Yeti, the Batman, and Joker. And the Sun King, and the Sun King is sitting there. And here is nobody. How about the Batman comes? He don't fit. And I'm gonna tell you a story of Batman. Batman is somebody was dressed up as Batman, and he's a criminal, and he's always guilty. And also I just saw the yellow movie. Nah, I just saw the Batman, a movie of Batman and the year Batman. He's Bruce Wayne in the year Batman. And now I'm going to start playing with this. Here's the king psych. Here Yuki himself. He's a psych. You're IMAGINEXT. Kapow! Going to jail once. And also the Joker's right over there. Mission complete. And Joker's Batman. He also got the Joker's on his computer. And also he's missing the rattling, and he's Matt Creeper. He's here. And the Psych Pirate. He's on the Bat computer. And also Yuck. When you turn this turbo pad backwards, you can put different figures here, but not like the Creeper. Nope, because and guys, yuck, this thing. It can open, and when this is like this, it closes, guys. And I don't like when it's falling. And Batman's on a mission. He's going on a mission in the helicopter, guys. Look, he's from this part. He's causing him. Yeah. And now he's on the jail. He's on the jail now. Oh no! He's on the jail. And the Psych Pirate just closed him. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my video of David and Jackie Toby. Look, I just scared you with my Batman mask. And I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe on David and Jackie Toby. Bye!